Yeah.
Yeah, that was a nice little downfall.
Oh, is it three already? I just got home.
I don't know what's going on. I got blue skies. I got lightning off to my east now a lot. Whoa! Whoa, was that impressive? Wow! Woo! I have a lot of lightning off to my west now. I'm filming with the big camera. I just missed a double, man. It was huge. I got it. Hopefully, I got it on the contour. Got it. You know, it was right there.
Rain on it, right?
Oh yeah, I got hammered. I got lightning off here. I got hammered with a lot of rain. It looks like there's still something back to my west. I'm in a lull now. I'm right now in a lull. There's nothing going on.
Yeah, the storm extends way past county border there, so.
Yeah, I definitely got hammered.